Seminole County undertook many park improvements in 2023, like the new trail loop at Lake Monroe Park in Chuliota.
Just a little shy of a mile. And then we have the boardwalk, which is another 800, almost 900 feet as well. It's going to make a nice destination loop to go through our park area.
It's like that's brand new over there.
Across the county, park users can now enjoy new boat ramps, trails, and playgrounds, many of them funded by the penny sales tax.
All our community parks are passive parks or trails. A lot of these penny sales tax dollars have been helping us get a lot of these amenities.
Like Lake Dot and others.
And other projects are moving along, like the conversion of 2 former golf courses into neighborhood parks. Public meetings are keeping residents up to date on plans for both Rolling Hills and Deer Run, with groundbreaking for Rolling Hills planned for 2024. Each park will preserve a green oasis in the middle of a suburban neighborhood. Parks and Recreation also set its sights on distant horizons, completing their 10-year master plan and establishing the Seminole Forever Land Acquisition Program, which will allow the county to purchase more lands for recreation and conservation use.
Seminole Forever is the first time a county has not asked their citizens to increase their own property taxes to go out and purchase conservation lands within the county.
New acquisitions will protect more of the pristine, untouched, natural lands that make Seminole County so unique.
We've decided that this is an important part of our quality of life here in Seminole County, so we embedded it into our general revenue budget.